What?
Can't do that here.
Fine. I'll just do it in your car.
What?
I literally could hear you, dude. Hey, everybody, point and laugh.
First try, bitch. Fuck you.
So here we have a Celica GT-Four, right-hand drive, rally-inspired, antique. Alrighty. Yeah, so we're not gonna be driving it like this. Can I help you?
You couldn't even try.
Did you hear the thump?
Why do you have his door open?
Why did he have his door open? Beep, beep, dee, 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 dee. Those flames are crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, your family, sort of.
Does he normally drive this slow?
I think it's just a car.
You can definitely tell it's not a turbo model.
Or a supercharged. I'm worried about hitting a speed bump. That would not be.
I think this car could survive a speed bump.
Considering
what it's just been through. No. Put that away. Put that away.
It has a squeeze, built-in squeeze. Oh, look, a Chevy SS.
Excuse me. Pops, man, they're so good. That backfire is lovely.
People are gonna think it's a BMW.
How am I with room? Do I have space to?
No.
Boostless baboon to let me go in front. Boostless baboon, bro. I mogged him.
GT-Four, am I right?
Let's take it easy here because now they are implementing speed cameras. Am I I good to overtake?
Yeah, you're clear. They gotta do it faster.
Faster?
Yeah, higher rev and just faster. Like rev it, floor it.
Okay, but this is a camera, so let me not do that. This is why I bought a ZL1. Less of that. He wants to look so hard. He's trying not to. I'm sorry, the non-boosted guy is trying to make us move.
Jealous, yeah.
It's so painfully obvious.
Should have bought the higher trim level, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Ronto spec MR2.
I know. It's like a Ferrari. Wow. Oh, okay. Yo. They're cutting grass right now, bro.
The crazy part is all these new cars have so much insulation, they probably dead ass can't even hear us.
Yeah.
Redline it.
That is pretty awesome.
Thank you.
That is pretty awesome. It's backfires, bro.
Good type R.
Oh yeah, true.
No shot.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't shift to 30 gear because I was worried I was gonna gear grind again. Jesus. Alright, jeez. Somebody's gotta get to Brokeback.
Got like they closed that down because of you.
No, not because of me. Not because of me. Somebody did something. I was pissed. I'm like, damn, I needed to take some pictures here, but
You got the spot hot.
hey, bro, that's the name of being big. On 3, pussy.
Come on, the light turns green.
Damn it.
Ain't no way. No. No way.
No, that's not fair.
No way.
Bad launch. I did a bad launch. Okay?
No way.
I did a bad launch. Stop.
No way. You suck. You get out of my car. Get out of my car right now.
Alright. When I get over there, man, like,
Get out of my car right now.
that was so
You're a
fun.
disgrace.
Damn it.
Look at that. Now you forgot. You forgot where you are.
Bro, but like I was trying to give it gas and it was like
Now he's never gonna shut up about it.
I know.
No shot.
No way.
shot.
No way.
shot.
You're part of the Loud Gang.
No shot.
Congratulations. That's fucking awesome, dude.
No shot. I get to see us.
Oh shit. I wanna see what he says. Sorry, dude, we're both like 6'2".
Oh my god, what a clown.
That looks so bad.
He stalled?
You did.
He stalled!
I did.
That looks so terrible.
Did it?
Yeah.
The tires are too grippy.
100%, bro.
Good run. But dude, we're like together we're like 500 something pounds. Cause I'm 220.
Yeah, that weaving out actually.
Yeah, so
It
Shut
made it
the-
even more embarrassing.
No, look, I'm gonna shrink the so you look. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a spirited POV drive with the Celica GT-Four. First of all, okay.
So if you were granny shifting, double clutching like you should have, you know.
Yeah. Oh. Well, Ed, it's fantastic.
Said